Bullish Axie limitlessness cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $30.02 and $65.38 by 2030. Market examiners accept Axie could reach $30.02 by 2025. Bearish Axie boundlessness market cost expectation for 2022 is $5.34. Axie boundlessness presentation. Axie boundlessness is a computerized pet local area that joins the best of blockchain innovation with customary gaming. The outcome is a tomfoolery and habit-forming game that permits clients to procure genuine prizes. The idea of virtual pets isn't new. Be that as it may, what makes Axie limitlessness extraordinary is its utilization of blockchain innovation. This permits players to claim their in-game resources as collectible tokens called Axie. These Axies can be exchanged, reared, or utilized fighting against different players. What is Axie boundlessness? Axie endlessness is a computerized pet game that permits clients to raise, train, and battle their Axies, animal-like pets that can be gathered from parts. The game highlights a broad thing shop where players can utilize the in-game cash, Axie, to buy new parts for their Axies, as well as beauty care products and things to assist with interactivity. There is likewise a landmarks mode where players can set their Axies in opposition to one another, thusly based battle. The game was sent off in mid-2018 by Neurotransmitter Games, and has since seen a consistent expansion in prevalence. In November 2018, the game presented a significant update called Beginning, which added another world guide, journey framework, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. From that point forward, the game has kept on including new happy and highlights a standard premise. In the event that you're searching for a tomfoolery and compelling pet recreation game with a lot of profundity and replay esteem, make certain to look at Axie vastness. Axie limitlessness crucial investigation. The group behind Axie limitlessness is exceptionally capable and has a demonstrated history in the gaming business. The game has been live for north of 2 years and has a huge local area of dynamic clients. Axie limitlessness is one of the most well-known games on the Ethereum blockchain and is reliably one of the top DApps by day-to-day dynamic clients. The game areas of strength for has, with a very much planned economy and various ways for clients to procure income. There are in excess of 500 particular body parts accessible for these Axies, including oceanic, creature, bird, bug, plant, and reptile parts. Axies can have any blend of body parts, making them truly inconsistent and regularly phenomenal and novel. Parts from each sort class have 4 separate unique case scales: normal, uncommon, very interesting, and amazing. Each Axie may just variety a sum of multiple times to deal with the quantity of Axies. Not at all like a few other blockchain-based battling and rearing games. Proprietors of Axie tokens can before long stake their tokens to get predictable payouts. Holders of Axie will likewise have to cast a ballot and play to accept their prizes, rather than specific other stakeable resources. Axie endlessness shards. Axie endlessness shards, the biological system's own administration token, are another part. These are utilized to partake in critical administration choices and will give holders a say in how cash from the Axie People Group depository is used. Axie limitlessness current cost. Axie limitlessness is presently worth $6.67 USD. Axie has moved 1.26% as of now with an exchanging volume of $30,614,902. Axie limitlessness is presently positioned 56 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $671,929,814 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Axie vastness to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Axie boundlessness value expectation 2022. Axie boundlessness, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The Axie cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $10.01. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $9.34 in cost is very aggressive, however it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Axie is supposed to have a base worth of $8.01. Axie boundlessness value expectation 2023. In 2023, Axie vastness Axie cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Axie will before long outperform $16.68. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Axie will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $13.34 and a typical exchanging cost of $14.68. Axie boundlessness value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $23.35 and Axie might benefit in the event that the market encounters a decay. The objective may not be met. Axie is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $21.35 and a low of $20.02 in 2024. Axie vastness value expectation 2025. In the event that Axie boundlessness effectively supports market feeling among digital money fans, the Axie coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Axie will be green in 2025. The Axie is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $30.02, with a base cost of $26.69 and a typical cost of $28.02. Axie vastness value expectation 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Axie cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $34.69 by 2026, with a base cost of $33.36 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Axie has a most extreme value worth of $36.69. Axie boundlessness value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $41.37. In the event that Axie figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $43.37. Neglecting to accumulate the help Axie needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $40.03. Axie boundlessness value expectation 2028. While Axie is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $46.70 and a yearly cost close above $50.04 in 2028. Axie vastness value forecast 2029. By 2029, Axie vastness will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $53.37 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $56.71, averaging out at $54.71. Axie endlessness value forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Axie cost in 2030 is projected to be $65.38 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $62.71. And so what does the future hold for Axie endlessness? The reality of the situation will come out eventually. Yet assuming that the past is any marker, we can anticipate incredible things from this promising venture. Make certain to watch out for Axie as it proceeds with its rising to become